So what are we in?
We're in a 2024 F150 Platinum. So you've got the Platinum, and then they just came out with the Platinum Plus. So they got rid of the Limited, which used to be the king of the F150s, but now it's the Platinum Plus.
You like leather or cloth better?
Personally, I like cloth just because,
So
like
do
in the
I.
summertime, you get in the truck and you don't burn the back of your legs
Mhm.
or it's freezing cold in the wintertime.
Mm-hmm.
But I like leather too because it can be a little more plush, kind of give a little bit more, be a little more comfortable.
Yeah. Cloth is cheaper, huh?
Yep, a little easier to maintain.
How much will this tow?
This one has the 3.5 liter EcoBoost on it. I don't know if it's got the max trailer tow package or not, but if it does, it can tow up to 12,700 pounds.
Nice. What mileage are you getting right now? Not towing.
Fuel mileage wise, I'm sitting right at 20. So for a full size truck, these things get pretty good fuel mileage.
Yeah, you're in 4-wheel low too. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
I'm just kidding. It's funny they started putting 110 outlets inside the vehicles.
Yeah, it's almost like they knew
No one has cigarette lighters.
Yeah. No one smokes cigarettes anymore.
For everything you have to buy the special little charger 12 volt that you can also use in the vehicle.
Now you got to make sure though it's got a USB plug-in that you can plug your phone charger into.
Yeah, I bet you can't even find the USB. Every time I get into a new vehicle, it's a hunt to find a USB plug-in.
No.
So if you had to pick any Ford, specifically a truck, would you pick this one? Be honest.
To be like my personal vehicle,
daily driver,
I probably wouldn't pick the Platinum. I'm more of a King Ranch kind of guy. I like that saddle brown interior with that two-tone on the outside. It's just kind of that classy look.
I get that. What motor?
That's got the 3.5 EcoBoost also. So same motor that's in this.
You wouldn't swing for a diesel?
I mean, I don't have a need for a diesel. I mean, I love a diesel, but I just don't really have the need for one.
Yeah. If you were towing, maybe?
Yes. Like if I had a big old fifth wheel or a camper, big trailer I was pulling, then yeah, I'd get a diesel.
I want to warn you about Guthrie.
Okay.
When the sign that has the thing that goes from 2 lanes to 1, that means that the lane's going to go from 2 lanes to 1. I don't know if anyone else here knows that, but I wanted to tell you that.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Don't follow other people here.
So don't try and get over it the last second.
No, and don't ride neck and neck with someone who looks like they've clearly been trying to pass someone else for the better part of their trip. And I don't know what it is, but it's always people with the blue G on the back.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know what the blue G stands for. Maybe it's the town they live in, so they spend a lot of time here and they don't know that the road does that. Anyway, just...
Yeah, this thing's even got massaging seats on it.
Why aren't mine on?
So feel down on the right side of your seat. You feel a little circle with buttons on it. So there should be a little circle right in the middle of that you can push.
Okay, I feel it in my butt.
Yeah, there you go. And now you can choose all those different settings.
Oh. Okay, we got lower rolling, upper rolling, circular cushion, full recovery, and relaxed recovery. I think I'm going to do I want to do the full... Oh, I want to do relaxed recovery. So what am I doing here? Hitting the middle button?
No, you can actually press it up here now. Yep.
What do I do?
You just press any of them. Choose which massage you want.
Okay. I'm just going to leave it on this one.
And then those little 3 lines are the intensity of it.
Okay. Is that 2 to 1 lane,
Oh, yeah. Let me get over.
You got to be careful.
I don't have a G on the back of my car. So.
They need a cop here to moderate this. It's insane. And this is
world-renowned.
We're right at that part where the lane goes... And so I'm surprised someone's not right next to you, making this more difficult than it should be.
I think this is where everyone in town decides to flip everyone off at.
Yes, it's sign language.
Yes, just
it's a Guthrie hello.
Yes.
Do we need to get breakfast while we're out?
I think so.
Okay. Do you know what I would do if I had this truck? I would probably need to get a 3/4 ton to pull the camper. What about Carl's J breakfast?
I haven't had old Carl's J breakfast in a while.
Dude, their biscuits and gravy are on point.
Okay.
And with this interior, it'll wipe right off.
Yep.
Does this have can it self-drive itself?
Yes, but it doesn't have the
Blue Cruise?
Well, it does, but it doesn't have the subscription because it's used.
So describe to me what Blue Cruise is then, since we can't show us.
So basically, what Blue Cruise is, it's fully autonomous driving, and basically what that means is that you can take your hands off the steering wheel and the gas, and the truck is going to drive itself.
Change lanes, signal.
Yep.
Turn.
Well, it's not going to signal. You have to put your signal on yourself, but it will change lanes. I mean, even Like when you're coming up to a semi truck in the fast lane and the semi's in the slow lane, the vehicle will actually move over in the lane so that way it's further away from the semi truck when you're passing it.
Wow. And there's only certain routes that it recognizes Blue
Yes,
Cruise, right?
so it's I believe it's about 97% of most major interstates or highways in the U.S. No in-town driving, no back roads. It's not going to work on back roads or anything. It's just the main interstates and highways.
Okay. Did
Have
you
a good
not?
day.
Did
Thank
you
you.
not get anything to eat?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you not get a drink?
No.
Oh. I got my butt massaged through that whole order.
I mean, not too many people can say they've gotten their butt massaged while ordering biscuits and gravy from Carl's
Carl's
Jr.
Jr. I know.
You're among a very small percentage, my friend.
You're of the select few. You're a part of the small team of elite that have had their ass cheeks massaged at a Carl's Jr. You know what? I bet that's not true. I bet there's a lot of people that have been sitting in the drive-thru or just standing in line inside the
Can we do
store
a poll on Facebook? How many people have had their ass massaged?
while waiting at Carl's Jr.? If we were in a 2011 three-quarter-ton Chevy HD, the thing we would have been on our side after that bump.
Yeah, or like a Toyota Tundra.
Yeah,
You know.
ease up. See, now I'm feeling it in my back. I feel like it's in my
Yeah, that's like the upper rolling part.
yeah,
Yeah.
not my butt or my shoulders,
Yeah.
but my back. Why were you not taking
Now I do.
advantage? Oh,
Full relax recovery.
yeah. Dang, why don't the Chevys have this?
You know what's really cool is like some of the newer Mercedes, they've got like a hot rock feature.
A
It's
hot
like
rock?
It feels like you've got like those hot stones on your back.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm just curious.
I don't. It's a good question.
I feel like that's something that could break pretty easy. Like you'd have to get replaced.
I mean, it is.
What are you here for? Yeah, my hot rocks, my seat. I gotta get them fixed. I'm like, what? Yeah.
I'm ready to get the hot rocks fixed.
Pretty soon they're gonna put a water bed in the back. You know what I mean? Pretty clean ride though. It's quiet, and it's been windy. It's about 20 mile an hour winds outside.
Oh man, those are some sick billboards.
I know.